Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. What time is it? It's 2:13 here in the afternoon, and I'm getting ready to do another one of my experiments with my pizza maker. You don't know unless you try, so stay tuned for what y'all think I'm going to do. Okay, I'm back. Here's my, who is this? Hamilton Beach pizza maker. This time, I got some wings cut up. I already washed them. I cut them up into sections. This is what I put on them. Yellow mustard. A couple good squirts of yellow mustard. Wait a minute. First of all, I washed them. Drained them again. And then I paper toweled them dry. As dry as possible. Then I squirted on the yellow mustard. I put in some cayenne pepper and some Old Bay seasoning. Also used a little black pepper. And then I smushed them all around, and they've been sitting for about 15 minutes. That's what they look like. So, to use the chicken on this pizza maker, I believe I have to bread the chicken so that it absorbs some of the oil from the chicken. And I'm not going to put any oil on these wings. Oh, I'm using my, let me show you what I'm using. Is this what I used? No, I didn't. Okay, I used the Zatarain's fish fry. I don't have no more of it. So, that's what's in here, the Zatarain's fish fry. And I'm going to make me some fried chicken. So I'm putting the pieces in here. And I hope it works. If not, I'll just use my air fryer. My concern is that it's going to make too much grease for this, and this ain't really for grease. But we're going to find out today. We're going to find out together. I need one of them Batter Pro bowls. I think I might break down and get one. So I just put my chicken and my bread in one thing and just shake. Shake it up. Okay. Shaking this over the sink because I don't want to make a mess. Okay. And I'm not going to oil it. Oh, let me show you. I got this silicone mat. Y'all saw that with my other video. I have a silicone mat. It's 12 inches round and it fits on my pizza maker pan perfectly. So, shaking off all the excess breading. I'm putting the flat side down. I sure enough hope this ain't too tall. And hit those coils. Let me see. Okay, I think I'm good. All right. I'll be back when I finish putting all the chicken on there. Okay, y'all. I got all the chicken on here. Let's see. How many pieces is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pieces. I hope it works. I think it clears the coil. I'm putting it on the highest setting, which is 5. And I'm going to try 20 minutes. Start ticking right away. I'm going to raise it and see if it's hitting the coil. If some breading is on the coil, then it's hitting it. Let me see. I think I'm good. Okay. And like I said, I didn't put any oil on the chicken. Stay tuned. Okay, so far so good. This is what my chicken looks like, and it's been cooking for 10 minutes. You know, I set it on the 20. I have it at setting number 5. That's the highest it'll go. And this is how the chicken looks. Okay, I hope it works. Just want to show y'all how the heat powers on and off. It'll heat up for, I think, 60 seconds, and then it'll go off, and it'll come back on. So it's not constant heat. And the top, this thing has a top and a bottom heating coil. So I don't think I'm going to have to flip it. Okay. You see it's smoking. I can hear it sizzling, but I still see the powder from the flour on here, and I don't like that. And it's about the 20 minutes is almost up, so I'll show y'all when it dings. Well, I can show you now because it's still gonna keep on. That steam is hot. See how it looks. Still see the powder from the flour. See that? Let me turn one over. You hear it sizzling. I don't know why this one looks more done than all the rest of them. There you go. It's been 20 minutes. And that's how the bottom of it looks. It's nowhere near crispy. Oh, that is. I don't want my bread to fall off. You know what? If I had to take it off of here, and I'm going to put them in the air fryer. Let it finish. Almost crispy wings. So, I guess it's best to use the pre-breaded. I don't know. They say chicken tenders would work in here and egg rolls and stuff like that, but I want to try some real chicken. And I don't think it don't look done to me. I don't want to turn it over because it still ain't crispy. Okay, that's my experiment. It's a fail, so I'm going to finish it off in the air fryer. I don't know if y'all want to see all this or not, but I'm transferring my chicken into my air fryer basket. And I will be spritzing the top of it with oil. Okay, just hooked in my bracelet. Can't have that. Well, that's what my gold. This breading is very tacky and sticky to the touch. If I ain't careful, all of it will be knocked off of here. I know it smells good. They're gonna fit in here. Yeah, it's flaking off. Pounding them in here. Oh my goodness, look at all that bread. Uh-oh. Bread is flapping. Ew. Put that in my sink. There's a lot of bread to come off. Okay, let me spray it. Now see what I'm doing. I'm spraying it with this spray bottle. I keep filling the bottle up with olive oil. I just want some crispy chicken. That's all. Okay, I hope there's enough bread on here to make it crispy. Okay, I'm setting it for 400. I'm just gonna let it cook and I'll check it. I'm gonna wait for this to cool, then I'll clean the mat and put it back on there. This thing is hot. That thing's out of my way. Let me set this level. Okay. I'll be back when my chicken is ready. Bye, y'all. Okay, y'all, I can't believe I let this cook a whole 15 minutes. But I was in the family room doing something. Okay, let's see what's happening up in here. Yes, that's where I like my chicken. Crispy. Get this hot thing out of my way. Okay. Can I show him what you making? Okay. He said he don't care if I show what he making. Where you at? There you are. Okay, he's making him some pork chops. This man love his pork chops. What'd you say?
I love my pork chops, but I could have used some chicken too. She didn't get enough of me, so I got to do this here. I ain't happy either.
I don't care.
I know she was making.
Okay, that's enough.
Chicken.
They don't need to hear all that. Man.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyway. Put this on the platter. I'll show it after it's on the platter. Okay, y'all, this is my chicken platter up. And a lot of the breading was knocked off due to all that double dipping and stuff. But it's gonna be good. And I tasted some of the crust on the chicken. It is spicy. Woo. Okay, y'all.
Look at this.
Okay, y'all. Okay, Walter said, take a look at that. That's how he prepares his chops. What kind of chops are these?
Center cut, thin slice.
Center cut.
Thin slice.
Ain't they cutlets? Pork cutlets?
Oh, I didn't say cutlets.
Okay, well he seasoned them extra well. And he put butter on them. He's going to cook them in the oven. You want to say something on camera? Yes or no?
Okay. I hope they're good.
You know they're going to be good because you fix them like that all the
I
time.
hope I have an appetite to eat them.
Well, I bought some new bread and it's nice and soft. I make me some sandwiches.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, y'all. If y'all like this little experiment with my pizza maker and then my air fryer, then give me a thumbs up. Give me an A for effort. Okay? And I'll try anything once. Most things. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. You all have a blessed day. Bye. Okay, I'm filming. Okay, y'all. This is how I'm going to eat my flats. I took all the flats. I got some Frank's sweet chili dipping sauce. So that's about to be good eating, y'all. Yum, yum, yum. Very good. Okay, bye. For real.